Hello friends, good afternoon. Today in our swing trading series, we will see swing trading strategy with relative strength index. This is an indicator. Today we will understand basics to some advanced feature of RSI. Friends, I believe one thing very strongly, that if you want to go up in the air in the aeroplane, you must have appropriate fuel to go up in the air. Without fuel, you can't take off. Therefore, if you want to have a bumper earning in share market, then you have to have some kind of knowledge, or I will say appropriate knowledge to extract money from the share market. So let's go ahead and see. Friends, RSI is the best indicator for swing trading in default setting of 14 days period. What I want to explain here to you is that in your software of RSI, there is always a default setting of 14 days. So if you are doing swing trading, you need not change this 14 days period at all. Otherwise, this will offset the entire swing trading strategy. Now, RSI indicator with a 14 days period has been tried millions and millions or billions of times, and that is how it is said that RSI 14 days period is the most suitable for swing trading. Friends, please do not change this setting. RSI is a momentum indicator using previous 14 days price data of highs and lows of a particular share. Now, this means that whatever the price changes have come by virtue of a formula, RSI is calculated and your computer gives the final RSI indicator or the data which is required for swing trading. So RSI uses previous 14 days data, or in a simple word, I will if I have to say I will say RSI gives profit and loss for last 15 days through a particular formula. I think this is very clear. Now, RSI formula, as I said, by default it is in your software. Whatever software your broker has given you, fine, it is already embedded there. You need not change. If you want to change, you should be highly skilled trader and have full knowledge of the trading charts, candlestick charts, line charts, or whatever indicators etc. you use along with RSI. Then only you change the formula. Otherwise, let the default setting be there and you need not worry about RSI formula at all. Friends, RSI relative strength index denotes uptrend and downtrend. 0 to 15 is downtrend and 15 to 100 is uptrend, and let us together check it on the real charts. Now you can see here, this is from 0 to 100. Now 0 to 50, this 0 to 50 friends is your downtrend, and above 50 is your uptrend. Are we clear on this? So I will just remove this. So see, this line is 0 line, and this is your 100, this is 50, and this is 70. So this is oscillating between 0 and 170. I'm sorry, is this. Below this is 30, and then you have one more line here. Fine. So this is RSI. Basically is an oscillator which oscillates between 0 and 100. Okay. So we have learned that 0 to 50 is downtrend and 50 to 100 is uptrend. Let's go a little ahead and see now. RSI gives, or RSI will forecast buy and sell signal, but they are not absolute. What does it mean they are not absolute? See, the word actually here is, it is forecasting. That means it is for the future. Your sell signal will be for the future. Your buy signal also will be for the future. And friends, we will see this on the chart. But one thing is there, that when it really denotes the buy signal, this gives huge money. Let us see on this. Friends, you can see here, this is RSI 3031. Here it has given a buy signal, which I will mark here, or say I will bring it here. This is already here. Can you see, this is, it has given a buy signal here at RSI 30. Now this is a forecasting. This is a forecasting at this point when it has touched 30, that if the share is good, share is strong, the price of the share actually will go up. And as I will mark for you here, you can see here, it is from here the price actually has started going up. Can you see this? It has gone up to this place. You see, you do not know whether when the price will fall, what it will go. But this is one thing is, or when will it go, how long will it take to go, you do not know. But once a share reaches RSI 30, then it has to go up, and go up to where? It has to go up to the this oversold zone. This we will check right away. So this is giving buy signal, and this is here giving the sell signal, as you can see here. Clear cut sell signal, and after that the prices also are falling down. Let me just remove this. So this gives clear cut buy and clear cut sell signal. I'll just mark it here. You can see this. Are you seeing this? But sometimes it may not be very accurate also. We will discuss it a little later. So this is not an absolute. This is nearly the same. And when I say this is nearly the same, that means that to be little exact, it has to be combined, friends, with other indicators like moving averages and MACD. Now the best combination of RSI is moving average and MACD together. Fine. So these moving averages are also there in the software. MACD is also in all the software. You can put this, and then you can trade very beautifully with it. That we will see little later, or in some other video, how these three things have to be combined. Today we are only talking of relative strength index or RSI indicator. Friends, there is a caveat in this. There is a little understanding required in this, that RSI works only in the daily charts. It will not work on the weekly charts. It will not work on monthly charts at all. So be very careful when I say it can combine. Everything which I am saying here today is only on the weekly charts. Not weekly charts, they are on the daily charts. Divergence in troughs. Now let us check it on the chart, what divergence means. Friends, divergence means, between two troughs. This is one trough, this is another trough. Now, actually here the line actually is going up, saying that it will go. And divergence, you can see here, this is actually falling down. Can you see this? This is actually falling down, whereas the price actually is going up. Now what it shows? This is showing here that price will definitely fall. RSI is always right when it says the price will fall, because this is based on the actual past 14 days data. Therefore, the ultimate is that it will take the direction of the RSI trough, and this trough actually you can see here falling, and you can see the decline actually in the share price here. Can you see how sharp is the decline of the share price here? So this is actually what is known as the divergence, that the price is going up, whereas RSI is showing that it will fall. If RSI shows it will fall, it will fall. If RSI shows it will go, finally it will go. Okay, now we come to little more understanding of RSI, and that is actually the most important thing is the time frame. Here I say, friends, time frame is most important in RSI. If you are using RSI in intraday, then time period could be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. That will actually depend upon the volatility of the stock. Now we are working on 14 days. You see here, I will just show you here. We are working in RSI by default on 14 days. But if you change it anywhere between 2 to 6 days for intraday trading, then friends, what will happen? First thing that will happen is it will highly increase the frequency of trade. That means your buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell signals will be very frequent, and they could be faulty also. Overbought, oversold positions will be very fast. Even these positions could be faulty. Only highly skilled traders who know complete length and breadth of RSI and the share market and all the indicators, only they need to change the time frame. Otherwise, in intraday, RSI is of a very, very little value, or I will say it has of no value if the time period is 14 days. I will repeat this again. Intraday RSI time period is 2 to 6 days. It is meant for highly skilled people who have inside out knowledge of charts, patterns and indicators. For a normal person, time period of 14 days is most ideal for swing trading, and in intraday positions 14 days period is not indicated. It could be it will really give you fault, buy sell signal, overbought, oversold signal, and you can hugely lose money in the share market. So friends, this is actually all I wanted to say about RSI indicator. There are theses which are being written on it. We are learning to an extent that we earn the money. We are not here to appear in any examination. So friends, this much knowledge I think is quite sufficient. Once again, I will just repeat with you everything here. See, the RSI is a momentum indicator. Fine. From 0 to 0 to 50, friends, this is actually the downward trend. Above 50 is uptrend. Fine. You can buy here when RSI touches 30. It's a good buy signal. It will forecast buy signal, and you can buy here and it will forecast the sell signal. Similarly, what happens is you can sell here if you have the stocks, but you do not know when it will touch or come around RSI 30. So it is only a forecasting business. To be effective in the share market, it is required, friends, that you trade along with the other indicators. And other indicators, friends, I have already told you, is moving average and MACD. Yes, with RSI you can confirm everything with moving average and MACD. Fine. Then we have talked of the divergences when the troughs are up but RSI troughs are down, so eventually the share is likely to have a fall, and reverse also is really true. After that, we have, friends, talk of the time frame. Best time frame for swing trading is 14 days by default period. Intraday RSI 14 is not indicated. You have to change setting for intraday trading of RSI from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any time period depending upon the volatility of the stocks, but it is for a very highly skilled traders. Fine. So friends, I am very thankful to you that you have been with me for some time on RSI. I hope you earned a lot of money. You have bumper earnings in the share market. Have some kind of knowledge, because knowledge is the edge. So thank you very much for watching this video. be in the share market, and as I always say, it is a place where you can earn tons of money. Thank you very much.